Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So have you ever wanted to buy your favorite gadgets, fashion or home essentials but wished you could pay later without any extra fees? Well, now you can do it with the help of Tabby, meaning that you can use a Tabby in Bahrain. So in this video I will show you how you can actually do it. So first of all, you will have to launch your Tabby mobile application, and then you just have to simply log in into your account. After that, you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for Bahrain store. Now once you are able to find it over here, you will be given two different options. Like, you can make the payment with the help of your Tabby card or the Tabby application online, or you can even use it in store. So if you select the option of buying online, you just have to pick Tabby at checkout and choose your preferred payment plan and complete your purchase, paying over time, stress free. But if you want to shop in store, you just have to simply generate a QR code in the Tabby application and show it at the checkout and split your payment, in which you don't need to pay any interest and there is no hassle involved in it. Now as you can see that in the application itself, currently Bahrain as a store is not visible, but I have checked on the official website. Bahrain is available to be used with the help of Tabby, so you can easily use it with the help of the Tabby website. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.